Neck pain is becoming very common today, especially if you use your phone a lot or sit for long hours. If you feel stiffness, pain, or discomfort in your neck, you're not alone. The biggest problem is that most people ignore it until it becomes severe. You can relieve neck pain with simple exercises at home. In this video, I'll show you easy and effective ways to fix it. Let's understand why neck pain happens. When you look down at your phone for long periods, your neck stays in a forward position. This puts extra pressure on your neck muscles and spine. Over time, your muscles become tight and weak, leading to stiffness and pain. Other causes include poor posture, sitting for long hours, lack of movement, stress, and tension. All of these factors increase strain on your neck. But with the right exercises and habits, you can reduce this pain effectively. Let's start with the first simple exercise. Sit or stand in a relaxed position. Slowly tilt your head toward one side, bringing your ear closer to your shoulder. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Do this 5 times on each side. This stretch helps relax tight neck muscles and improves flexibility. First, tilt your head slowly to the right. Now, repeat on the left side. Now the second exercise. Sit straight and slowly turn your head to the right side. Hold for a few seconds. Now turn to the left side. Repeat this movement 5 to 10 times. Make sure to move slowly and gently. This exercise improves mobility and reduces stiffness. Sit or stand straight. Pull your chin slightly backward, like you are trying to make a double chin. Hold this position for 5 seconds and then relax. Repeat this 10 times. This exercise helps correct posture and reduces strain on your neck. Sit up straight and slowly lift your shoulders toward your ears. Next, gently roll your shoulders forward and backward in a circle. Exercises are important, but your daily habits matter even more. Avoid looking down at your phone for long periods. Keep your screen at eye level. Take breaks every 30 to 60 minutes if you sit a lot. Try gentle neck movements throughout the day. These small changes can prevent long-term neck pain. If you stay consistent with these exercises, you will start feeling relief in your neck pain. Remember, posture and movement are the key to a healthy neck. Take action now. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Heal Quick for more simple health tips and quick relief exercises. Stay active, stay healthy.